Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. So, friends, I have great news to share with you today. New arrival dates have been announced by the Social Security Administration, and millions of Social Security recipients can expect to receive a boosted payment very soon. Billions of dollars has also been allocated towards extra relief money for seniors and retirees. My friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please do me a favor and make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also, I'll be giving away another $50 Walmart gift card in a video later today. If you would like to enter these daily giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you comment on, the more likely your chances of winning these giveaways.
And so I think there's going to be a real imperative for them to work with us. We'll have to reach out. We're not going to get everything we want. They won't get everything they want. But I think it will work it's in everybody's interest. That is, the Democrats, all of us, and I am going to pursue that, with the same kind of energy that we pursued winning this election. Okay, well, let me say a couple of things. First, I'm not going to speculate on what we're going to do in the next Congress. We'll have plenty of time to talk about that, and we're thinking a lot about it already. And just in general, the child tax credit is something many of us are passionate about, and we would very much like to get it done. It took half the kids in America out of poverty, close to half, not quite half. That's an amazing thing, and it's something that we should aspire to. And and it was supported by a large a majority of Americans, so we'll keep pursuing it. Okay, these are, we have great senators. We have a large number who are up. You name two who are in Trump, Republican-leaning states. But look, they're great candidates, and we're going to do everything we can to help them.
The Social Security Administration announced a cost of living adjustment for Social Security benefits of 8.7% in 2023. Retirees can expect to see an increase in their monthly checks that reflects this change. According to the Social Security Administration, recipients of Ssdi are set to receive their second December payment by the end of this month, with the final payment of the year to be slightly higher than the rest. Eligible recipients will receive their second payment of $914 on December 30th, equaling a total of $1,755 for the month. The second installment of December's payments is higher than the first payment of $814, partly in response to the rising yearly cost of living adjustments to keep up with inflation. The Social Security Administration has said that an increased payment of $914 will last throughout the 2023 calendar year. December is one of 3 months in the year in which individuals receive 2 supplemental security income payments. The other months with 2 installments this year were April and September. According to the schedule, the double payments offset the months in which no payment is sent out to ensure that eligible recipients receive 12 payments per year. For this year, the months included January, May, and October. All eligible couples will receive 2 payments of $1,261 for the month of December, with that amount increasing to $1,371 in 2023. Essential persons, which is someone who lives with a person receiving Ssdi and provides necessary care, will receive one payment of $421 and the second payment of $458 to be paid out on the same day. The Social Security Administration issues monthly Ssdi checks on the business day prior to the months that begin on a weekend or holiday to ensure that recipients have the check by the first of the month. According to the agency, December is one of these months because January 1st, 2023 occurs on the weekend and is a holiday. The same type of double payment will also occur in March, June, September, and December of 2023. Analysts predict that Social Security insolvency may occur as early as the year 2034, unless action is taken by Congress to prevent it. Friends, the keyword for this video is Mount Bachelor. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Mount Bachelor, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you watch and then leave the keyword on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. The highest inflation in 4 decades is undermining the custom of tipping everyone from housekeepers and childcare workers to teachers and landscapers for the holidays. According to a new survey, consumers say they are trimming their annual year-end tips for most service workers. The study found that childcare employees are likely to feel the biggest impact, with Americans planning on giving $25 each. That is down from $50 per childcare provider in 2021. However, experts have said that more consumers say they plan to hand out holiday tips this year compared with 2021, which could help balance out the smaller gratuities. So in a season marked by cross-checking prices and allocating spending on items, many are worried about what shopping this holiday season means, with potential product shipping delays and increased prices reflective of inflation taking hold. The impact that rising costs may have on holiday shopping is paramount for many this year. According to many analysts, it is possible that many will see sticker shock on holiday gifts, but it's also dependent on what they are buying. Anyone hoping for a break on sky-high grocery bills should brace themselves for a shock in 2023, as a typical family's food bill for the year is predicted to go up by more than $1,000. That is one of the main takeaways of the 2023 Food Price Report. It is an annual publication by researchers that looks at factors across the supply chain to attempt to predict what the cost of putting food on the table will be. Last year, the report predicted that a typical family of 4 will spend more than $14,000 to feed themselves for the year. That is an increase of nearly $1,000 from the previous year's level, and the biggest one-year jump in the 12-year history of the report. So friends, please let me know how much your grocery bill has gone up this year. Well, my magnificent and dearest best friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Wednesday morning. Thank you, my friends, for joining me here every day. And I truly hope that you found some of this information helpful. Friends, the winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Lorna Hermano. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message, or you can message me on my Facebook page. Remember, everyone, if you would like to enter these daily giveaways, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos, and please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed week.